The first time I came here was New Year's Eve 2016. La première fois à Paris. I'll never forget it. I told myself I'd come back someday. Well, looks like today's the day. For years, Paris lived in my imagination. The silly little ways I tried to feel like I was here. You could call me a dreamer, but I didn't just daydream. La première, Chanel's first watch. A little rebellious, but très chic. Exactly my type. I've always preferred pieces that last. Natural materials, minimal design. Longevity is my own kind of rebellion. It's been years, but these streets still feel familiar. After all, I've dreamt about this place for so long. This is Place Vendôme, where Première took its shape and gave it a little liberté. I've always wondered, what is this Parisian je ne sais quoi? Maybe it's that they don't follow trends. They just dress like themselves. The Première is like that too. It follows its own form. I guess that's what freedom looks like. Choosing who you are and actually showing up as her. Time is always on your side, as long as you keep moving.